Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to take you along with me for a beautiful summer day in Collingwood, Ontario. We packed a lot into day one, from exploring a lavender field to relaxing at Sunset Point Beach and even a scenic drive around downtown. So if you're ready, let's dive into this amazing day. Our journey to Collingwood began with a scenic drive through Ontario's countryside. If you're heading up from Toronto, it's just a 2-hour drive, which is perfect for a day trip or even a weekend getaway. Our first stop was South Bay Fields, and let me tell you, it's a dream for anyone who loves lavender. Imagine wandering through 5,000 lavender plants with 8 different varieties spread out in 3 unique arrangements. You're surrounded by the vibrant purple blooms, and the scent in the air is so calming. There are also cozy muskoka chairs scattered throughout the fields, making it easy to find a spot to unwind, enjoy the views, and click some beautiful pictures. One of my favorite spots was a garden bench swing right in the middle of over 1,000 blooming English lavender plants. It's such a peaceful place to just sit back, take it all in, and relax. The fields even have a beautiful winding path that guides you through not only lavender but also sunflower field, a poppy field, and a wildflower area with over 27 different wildflower species. Walking through all of these blooms was such a unique experience, and of course, I took tons of pictures. We also visited their open air shop where you can find all sorts of lavender goodies. You can even purchase fresh lavender and sunflower bundles that are harvested that very morning. It's the perfect way to bring a little bit of South Bay Fields home with you. After the lavender field, we were ready for lunch. We found a cozy spot where we could just sit back and enjoy a great meal. It was the perfect way to recharge before heading out for more adventures. Next, we visited the Collingwood Arboretum, a beautiful green space with lovely pathways and picnic areas. We took a nice slow walk surrounded by native plants and the sounds of birds chirping. It was such a peaceful spot to just take a break, and especially if you enjoy nature, you will definitely love it. We even found a few spots that were perfect for relaxing and just soaking it all in. It was nice just to take a slow stroll, listen to the birds, and enjoy the natural beauty all around us. After exploring the Collingwood Arboretum, we headed over to the Millennium Park, which has some incredible views of Georgian Bay. While we were there, we spotted a cruise docked nearby. Seeing the cruise added this exciting touch to the day, and it really got me interested in what Collingwood offers on the water. If you're visiting during the warmer months, booking a cruise on Georgian Bay is definitely something to consider. These cruises offer a unique way to experience the beautiful landscapes, with options ranging from scenic sightseeing tours to sunset cruises and even themed dinner events. There are a few options for booking a cruise in Collingwood, and you can often book in advance online. I'd recommend checking local providers for schedules since the cruises vary depending on the season and day of the week. Be sure to book early, especially if you're hoping to catch a sunset or the weekend tour. They can fill up really quickly. I'll leave links to booking options in the description box below so you can check them out and plan your own cruise if you're interested. After spending some time at the Millennium Park and driving around, we made our way to the Sunset Point beach. This beach has a lovely shoreline with the water sparkling under the sun. We spent a lot of time relaxing by the shores, dipping our toes in the water, and just soaking up the summer vibes. It was the perfect place to unwind. If you plan to stay a while, bring some snacks or a picnic to enjoy while you're there. I also wanted to mention that right across from the Sunset Point beach, there's a great playground area that's perfect for families with kids. It's super convenient. Kids can enjoy some playtime just steps away from the beach, and it's a great spot to let the little ones burn off some energy after a days of exploring. To end our day, we took a scenic drive through downtown Collingwood. The historic buildings, charming shops, and welcoming atmosphere make it such a lovely place to explore. Even though it was just a drive through, we just got a feel for the town's character and charm. After a full day of exploring, we got some pizzas and headed back to our hotel, ready for a good night's rest. Reflecting on the day, I'd say Collingwood has so much to offer, from nature and relaxation to charming sights around every corner. And that wraps up our day in beautiful Collingwood. I hope you enjoyed exploring the lavender fields, parks, beaches, and all the little treasures this town has to offer. But our adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for day 2, where we head over to the Blue Mountains. We'll be diving into even more scenic views, thrilling activities, and cozy spots in the village. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!